Greetings from Somers Point, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg, and this is a 2025 Scout Dorado 255. Here we are up at the bow. You have a nice lounge seating, forward seating, relax. You're deep down in the boat when you go for a ride. Some nice cup holders and rod holder combinations. Storage underneath the seats. Right below my feet is storage as well. This does have a windlass. Beautiful through the stem. We walk back. I'm going to close the wind gate. And this window here would close, and you're nice and protected. Underneath the console, there's some storage. Nice head compartment. Here we are at the helm. Nice comfortable seat. Fold down armrests. Power steering. Digital throttles. Nice Garmin display. It's a very comfortable boat. Very easy boat to operate. Very stable boat. Great boat to spend the day out with your family. Go fishing or cruise around to that restaurant. Comfortable seating. The boat does seat 11. Nice little cooler. The Scout. That right back there. JL audio speakers. Nice Yeti cooler. The sink with a cutting board on the back and a cutting board here. It'll make for a nice day on the water when you're cutting your lines. These seats fold out. Here you are. This boat's equipped with twin Yamahas, 150s. And this is the Scout 255 Dorado. You can see this or any other boat on www.MarineMax.com. Or give us a call down here in Somers Point at 609-692-0600.